this on. Guys, go follow my Instagram in my bio. And go like my picture I just posted. Alright. Ow. Madison, go like my picture. Madison, do you want to come to the gym with me? Okay. Never mind then. Why don't you come with me then? Come on. Madison, are you still in here, Madison? Do you have any dark sport sweatpants? Because I can't find mine. I thought they were here. Great. Okay. You don't have any regular, like, nice, like, black sweats or something that I could wear to the gym? You're rude. Oh. I found mine. I just have to lint roll them. Whatever. Hold on. Guys, go follow my Instagram, please. I'm trying to get it to 15K. My Instagram is in my bio. No to you too. Yes, you're gonna follow my Instagram? Thank you so much. It's so nice of you. Guys, if you don't follow my Instagram already, can you guys go follow my Instagram? Because I'm trying to get it to 15K. Is my TikTok. I'm going to the gym.